Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to make a rainbow HUGS card with some 3D embossing. Now this is rows of squares 3D. I have 4 distress oxide colors here that I'm going to use to make the rainbow. I have a panel here of cardstock, a spritzer with water in it, and some blending brushes from the Rabbit Hole Designs. Now here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but it's super quick and easy. Just using some stuff from my crafty stash and pull together this fun and colorful textured card. Now I am obsessed with this new to me embossing folder. There's just something about it. It's just so dramatic and so textured, and I absolutely love it. So here I'm just going to open all 4 of these colors because I know I'm going to be going back and forth a little bit to create an entire rainbow. So a lot of times with a red, yellow, blue, you can create a full rainbow, but since I have it, I decided to use that 4th color for the purple just to make it easier, so it would be more of a true purple rather than kind of a reddish purple, which it probably would have been if I mixed my own. So here I'm just overlapping the blue with the yellow to get green. I overlapped the red with the yellow to get orange, and then I'm going to come in finally on that corner with the purple. Now I'm going kind of heavy-handed. I want this dramatic. I really want that deep saturated color on top of this textured panel. So I'm just going to work back and forth a little bit, but you can see how quickly that came along. Just use some tear tape to attach it to a US A2 size card base. It's 120 pound accent opaque, and it's 4 1/4 inches by 5.5. Now these Spanish sentiments I got, I absolutely love. They're from Simon. I'll link this and all the other products that are available in the video description box below. I'm just going to pop that up with a little bit of dimension with a thin foam strip that I get from Amazon. Just going to remove the backer and place that in the top center of the card, and then ultimately pick out what blingage I want to use for my card. So all this card bling is from a Colorful Life Designs. And I do have a coupon, AmyFan10. If you shop for bling or stencils or stamps or anything at the shop, be sure to use that coupon, AmyFan10 at checkout, and you'll save on your complete order. Now, ultimately, I decided to go with the black with white polka dots, and I'm going to put those down in a smattering on the front of the card, 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top, with my little pokey tool, or not my pokey tool, my jewel picker tool rather. Just going to place those down, and that's going to finish the design. So if you enjoyed this, please do hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Like I said, I'll link everything that I used in the video description box below, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.